Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll start building a video sharing app like TikTok in Flutter. So let's start. First of all, we need to install Flutter. Open flutter.dev website. Select your OS and click on the download button. After downloading, unzip the folder. I already installed the Flutter. So I'll open a terminal. Now run the command flutter create --org. Then your package name, com. And the app name. That's it. Open the folder. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll set up Firebase and we will also add necessary libraries